Right, and I am going to switch the position of the seat here. There's a little latch right under there. You just lift that up and you can move the seat around just like that. Pretty simple, huh? And like I said, you can take this piece and put it in here and it still has enough room in the middle there. So a lot of different ways to position this stuff in here. And this is a little bar that you can put up here to use for getting in and out or whatever. But that has to come out when you lay the seat down. These cushions, you just pull them off there, and your big deep cycle battery is under here, and so is your diesel heater, and that just all runs off of the diesel fuel in the tank. So kind of a neat setup. And like I said, kind of hard to hold the camera and do a video and move stuff around, so I'll shut it off for now. Here's your heater, and there are still pictures of this on the listing that you got. So.